morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, kids, today we are going to learn about one new letter. So, do you want to know which letter? Okay, then look here, kids. So, kids, today we are going to learn about letter S. Okay, which letter is this? This is letter S. S for snake. S for snake. Okay. So kids, today we are going to talk about letter S. And what is the sound of letter S? Snake कैसी आवाज करता है? So this is the sound of letter S. Okay. Now look here, kids. What is the formation of letter S and objects which is starting from letter S. Okay. So now I have one worksheet for you. So this is letter S. Which letter is this? This is letter S. Okay. And what is the formation of letter S? First you have to make left curve. Then you have to make right curve. Okay. Left curve and right curve. So this is letter S. Okay. Now see. S for sun. S for sun. S for sheep. S for sheep. S for shark. S for shark. And S for sheep. S for sheep. Okay. So here we have some things and animals which is starting from letter S. Okay, kids. So now, kids, I have planned one very interesting activity for you. Okay, so kids, you all are ready for the activity? Yes? Great. Then come and join your ma'am. So now, kids, it's a activity time. So kids, for today's activity, you need one white sheet. Then you have to cut one big S. Okay, this is letter S. Then you have to cut some little triangle shape paper. Okay, like this small triangle shape paper you have to cut. Okay. Then you have to take Fevicol. Then you have to make one tongue of snake like this. Okay. Then you have to make two eyes like this. Okay. Can you see it? Like this. Okay. So now let's start our today's activity. So very first I am pasting this big S on this white sheet. Okay. So I am doing this step by step and then I will show you. Okay. So I am taking Fevicol on this letter S. Okay. And now I am pasting this on this white sheet. Okay, kids. So like this you have to paste this letter S on this white sheet. Now what you have to do, kids? Now I am pasting this two eyes. Okay? Where you have to paste? Just wait and watch. So kids, you have to paste these two eyes like here. Okay? Now I am pasting this. Okay. So kids, now I am pasting this. Okay. So you have to paste this here like this. Okay. So now can you guess what is this? Yes, this is a snake. S for snake. Okay. Now last what you have to do? You have to paste this small triangle on this snake. Okay. how to paste it? I'll show you. So, one by one you have to take this triangle shape papers and paste on this snake. So kids, do you like this snake? Yes or no? Yes. So our activity is completed. Look here kids. What is this? S for snake. S for snake. So kids, you have to also complete this activity and send me the pics. So kids, I hope you like this activity very well. So kids, take care. Bye. So kids, here I have some wheat flowers. Okay. So now look here. What is the formation of letter S? Okay. So first you have to make left curve. Okay, like this. Then you have to make right curve like this. Okay, again first you have to make left curve like this. Then you have to make right curve. Okay, so this is your letter S. Now kids, look here, what is the formation of letter S? So very first you have to make left curve. Okay, you have to make left curve. Then you have to make right curve. Okay, first you have to make left curve, then you have to make right curve. So this is our letter S. Okay. So kids, now I am taking word in our book English capital letters. Okay. So now you have to take out page number 54. Okay kids. So first you have to write down CW and today's date. Okay. Now see kids, which letter is this? This is letter S. Which letter is this? This is letter S. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to trace this letter S. Okay. So now you have to start from here. Okay. So first you have to make left curve. Okay. Then slowly join the dots, and now you have to make right curve. Okay, so this is our letter S. Okay, now see this picture. What is this? Which fruit is this? Yes kids, this is S for strawberry. S for strawberry. Now what is this? Yes, it's a snowman. So this is S for snowman. S for snowman. So kids, look here. S for strawberry, so sweet. And S for snowman, loves to eat. Okay. Now see downside. What is this? Circle. Please circle the letter S and read the words aloud. Okay. So now you have to see the picture and speak the word with your ma'am loudly. Okay. So what is this? This is S for shark. S for shark. So you have to circle the letter S. Okay. Now what is this? This is S for sheep. S for sheep. So you have to circle this S also. Okay. Now see, what is this? Yes, S for snail. S for snail. So you have to circle S. Okay kids. So this is your CW page. Now kids, come to our next page. This is your homework. Okay. Now kids, see what you have to do. Trace and write. Okay. So one line is for tracing and downside you have to write letter S. Okay. So now let's start to trace. Yes. First you have to make left curve. Then from here you have to make right curve. Okay. Left curve and right curve. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete this tracing line. Now see downside, here we have only single dot. Okay, so from this dot you have to make letter S. Okay, how to make? Now look here. From this dot first you have to make left curve, then you have to make right curve. Okay, again first you have to make left curve, then you have to make right curve. Okay, so like this you have to complete this full line. Okay kids, now downside we have one very interesting activity. Okay, so take animals whose names begin with S to the ship. Okay, so can you see here? Here we have one ship. S for ship. Okay, and some animals are also there. So what you have to do? You have to take one line from the animal whose name begins from letter S. Okay, so let's start. What is this kids? Yes, this is S for starfish. What is this? S for starfish. So you have to make one line to the ship. Okay, now what is this? Snail. It's a snail. S for snail. So you have to make one line like this. Okay, now what is this? Yes, it's a ship. S for sheep. So you have to make one line here also. Now what is this? Yes, this is a dog, and dog is starting from letter D, not letter S. So you have to leave. Which animal it is? This is kangaroo. Okay, so kangaroo is also starting from letter K, not from letter S. So you have to leave this. What is this kids? Which animal is this? Yes, this is a elephant. So elephant is starting from letter E, not from letter S. So you have to leave it. Now we have only one more animal. So what is this? Yes, this is S for shark. S for shark. Okay, so you have to make one line to this shape. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete this both pages and send me the pics. Okay kids, bye bye. So kids, things which start from letter S are S for sheep, S for sun, S for snake, S for shark, S for sheep,